The Bengaluru Transport Department conducted a major operation against luxury vehicles evading state taxes. In an operation led by Deputy Commissioner of Transport, C. Mallikarjun, a team of 41 officers including regional transport officers B. Srinivas Prasad, Deepak, Srinivasappa and Ranjith, seized 30 high-end cars. The seized vehicles included prestigious brands such as Ferrari, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Austin and Range Rover. These cars were found plying the roads of Karnataka without having paid the mandatory state taxes. Following the operation, notices were issued to the vehicle owners for the recovery of approximately 3 crore rupees in unpaid taxes. Officials emphasized that while luxury vehicles symbolize status and success, owners are equally responsible for adhering to legal requirements. The department urged all vehicle owners, especially those with high-end cars, to ensure their taxes are paid on time and proper documentation is maintained to avoid penalties or legal consequences.